Kluci, pojďte mi pomoct. So everything is ready and we are ready to go.
We are one of the few companies which already have a large-scale demonstrator. A lot of VTOL competitors are using just the small subscale models. The aim of today's test is to fly in the hover mode just a few meters, up to 5 meters above the ground.
Několika centimetrů, zkusíme si tím poskočit.
50, 60, je to tvoje.
This airplane is still in early development of flight computer algorithms, so it's controlled with angle velocity control, so it's really direct, mostly comparable to a small helicopter without stabilization. So it's quite demanding for a pilot, but our goal is to develop and tune the algorithms for controlling aircraft so it's more manageable for, let's say, aircraft pilot. Our goal is to get the aircraft in the air and gather some data to verify our simulation and calculations in for.
Right now I'm analyzing the data from the tests. We can see if the batteries are capable to do more, and also we verified the structural rigidity of the plane. After that we will see if we will do some changes in the control system. After 10 years, we can expect that near to the cities will be the small heliports for these types of the airplanes.
I think this project is quite unique, not only in Czech Republic but also in the world, because other such VTOL aircraft are usually run with some larger companies and with corporate leading, and this is quite lean team and the development is really direct.
Takže jste ready, jo, všichni?
Já jsem OK a motory můžeš nahodit.
OK, tak jdem.
So I think for me it's really on the highest points in career growth and a very unique experience to be here.